In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Office 365 to your computer. I recommend you to download Office 365 to your computer if it's a computer that you use all the time, or if it's like your personal computer that you use at home, simply because the format will be the same and it will make it a little more seamless for you to be able to use. If you go to Staff on the Maury County Schools website and then go to Office 365 for the employee email, you do have to go online to download your account. If you have been on to the computer with your account before, it remembers your email. If not, it will give you a login option. So I'm going to sign into my account. Also, I do want to mention, if the Maury County Schools website is down and you're unable to get into your account, you can actually do a Google search for Microsoft 365, and you can also sign in here. It has sign into your account. Oh, I'm already signed in, so it automatically signed me in. But that is another way to get to it in case you can't get to it from the Maury County Schools website. Okay. So now that I'm into my email account, I'm going to click on Office 365 here at the top. And this is going to show me all of the apps that are available online for me to use. But what I want to look at is Install Office 2016. I'm going to click here. And it's given me the directions. You're going to want to click Run. You're going to want to say Yes, and then choose to stay online. Okay, so I'm working in Google, and so my setup is here in the bottom left-hand corner. When I click on that to open it, I choose Run. I choose Yes. As with most things that you're working to download or anytime you're online, you have to be patient. The main thing is to make sure that you stay online, that you keep your account logged in. Otherwise, the installation will not happen because it won't be able to pull your account information. You can download the Office 365 on up to 5 devices. So I would definitely download the Office 365 on my work computer. If you have a computer at home that you use to do things like check your email, I would also download it on my computer at home. Again, simply because the look and the format is going to be the same when you're looking at your email and looking at your calendar. Of course, there's online options that you can't necessarily get through this installed part. It is a little bit different, and the look and feel of it is a little bit different. Okay, once that line gets all the way across the bottom, we'll say you're all set. Office is installed now. So I'm going to close, close, and you can see now down here at the bottom I have my Microsoft Office email, as well as my OneNote Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. So now when I open this email up, it's going to look a little bit different than the online version. It's going to look have a little different look and feel to it, but it is like our regular downloaded version that we have on our computers. And so now Microsoft Office has been downloaded successfully onto this device, onto this computer. You can move, if you're not happy with where these are pinned at the bottom, you can move these. If you don't want these items pinned at the bottom, you can right click and unpin and they will be removed.